What is the cough reflex?
That is a fast, forceful action that helps protect your airways. It is known as the cough reflex, an automatic defense mechanism. When something irritates your throat, windpipe, or lungs, your body senses it and responds by making you cough. This powerful burst of air helps clear away particles, germs, or mucus before they can cause harm.
How is a cough triggered?
When you breathe in dust, smoke, or a germ, tiny sensors in your airways quickly alert your brain. These sensors detect irritants and send a signal through nerves. The brain responds by activating muscles in your chest and throat. The result is a cough, which serves to expel whatever triggered the irritation. This entire process happens in a split second.
How coughing protects your body.
The coughing is essential for clearing out unwanted substances. It helps remove mucus, dust, and bacteria from your lungs and throat, reducing the risk of infection. By physically expelling these harmful particles, the cough reflex keeps your airways clear, helps you breathe better, and supports your immune system's ability to defend against illness.
Why do we cough more when sick?
When you're sick, especially with a cold or flu, your airways produce extra mucus, and sensors become more sensitive. Viruses or bacteria can irritate airway linings, triggering more coughing as your body works harder to clear out germs. While coughing can be uncomfortable, it is a protective tool as your body fights to get rid of harmful invaders.
When is coughing a concern?
Although protects you, a cough lasting several weeks or producing blood may signal more serious problem. Chronic or severe coughs could point to conditions such as asthma, infections, or other issues. If your cough is persistent or accompanied by other symptoms, it's important to seek advice from a healthcare professional.